Hey everybody, welcome back. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Today we're talking about the top 5 investment strategies for beginners. I'm going to break it down in a way that anyone can understand, even if you've never invested a dollar in your life before. In this video, we'll break down 5 awesome investment strategies that are perfect for beginners. We're talking about simple, easy-to-understand investments that can help you build wealth over time. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Index funds. Now don't let the name scare you. Index funds are like the superheroes of the investment world. They make investing simple, accessible, and seriously effective. Think of an index fund like a basket of stocks that tracks a specific market index like the S&P 500. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, you're investing in a diversified portfolio of companies all at once. The beauty of index funds is that they're inherently diversified. You're spreading your money across hundreds, even thousands of different companies, which helps to reduce your risk. And because index funds are passively managed, they typically have lower fees than actively managed funds. It's like investing on autopilot. You put your money in, let it ride, and watch your wealth grow over time. Next up, we've got dividend stocks, and these bad boys are all about getting paid to own a piece of a company. Some companies actually share their profits with their investors in the form of dividends. It's like getting a little bonus just for being a shareholder. When you invest in dividend stocks, you're essentially becoming a part owner of these companies and participating in their success. Dividends can provide a steady stream of income, which can be especially helpful if you're investing for the long haul, like for retirement. And guess what? Over time, those dividends can actually compound, meaning you're earning dividends on your dividends. It's like a snowball effect of wealth building. Now let's talk about real estate, because who doesn't love the idea of owning a piece of the American dream, right? But buying and managing properties can be a real pain. That's where REITs come in, real estate investment trusts. With REITs, you can invest in income-producing real estate without actually having to buy or manage any properties yourself. REITs typically own and operate things like shopping malls, office buildings, apartments, those big, beautiful properties that generate rental income. If you're looking for a way to diversify your portfolio with real estate but don't want the hassle of being a landlord, these are definitely worth checking out. Alright, are you ready to become a lender and earn some serious interest? That's what peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, is all about. It's like cutting out the middleman, the big banks, and connecting borrowers directly with investors like you. You get to be the bank, lending money to individuals or businesses and earning interest on your investment. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors. You can spread your money across multiple loans, just like diversifying your investments to minimize risk. If you're comfortable with a little bit of risk, P2P lending can be a great way to potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts or CDs. And now for the grand finale, the investment strategy that'll make you say, "Why didn't I start doing this sooner?" I'm talking about robo-advisors, my friends, the ultimate investment hack for beginners. Imagine this. You answer a few simple questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. A sophisticated algorithm creates a personalized investment portfolio just for you, tailored to your specific needs and goals. Robo-advisors handle all of that for you, automatically rebalancing your portfolio and making adjustments as needed. Plus, they typically charge lower fees than traditional financial advisors, so you keep more of your hard-earned money. So there you have it, our top 5 investment strategies for beginners. From the simplicity of index funds to the passive income potential of dividend stocks and REITs, the power of peer-to-peer lending, and the ease of robo-advisors, there's an investment strategy out there for everyone. The most important thing is to just start investing, even if it's just with a small amount of money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome financial tips and strategies. Until next time, keep crushing it.